Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a Spark email account. Spark Email is an AI-driven mailing platform that helps you compose and manage email. To create a Spark email account, you need to first open your Spark application on your mobile phone. Now know that the process of creating Spark email account is same for your any devices. After you open your Spark email application, here you can see the main homepage. Now here you can see two options in which you can create your Spark email account. Now if you have Google account, then you can directly click on sign in with Google and then you can continue the further process of creating your Spark email account. If you want to use your email address, then you can tap on add your email option and then you can enter your email address. After this, tap on login option. After this, it will take you to your web browser. Now here you can see your account related to your email address. You need to tap on the Google account. Then here you can see sign into Spark. Now here you need to click on continue so that you agree with all those terms and conditions. Now here scroll down. Then you need to give permission to Spark to access to your Google account. For this, tap on allow option. After this, now Spark will take few seconds for loading all your information. With this, now here you can see a small tutorial. You can tap on the given screen and then skip this process. After doing so, it will now verify your account. It will take few seconds for your account to be verified. Now you need to know that some of the features of Spark are premium. So you can purchase the plan or you can also skip this. For this, tap on skip option on the top right corner. You can purchase the plans whenever you want. Now here you can also let your Spark access your contacts so that you can view all the Gmail contacts on your Spark as well. For this, tap on continue option. With this, now here you need to allow your Spark to access your contacts. Tap on allow option and then here you can see a small tutorial. This will help you to learn how to use your Spark application. After this, tap on got it option. Then here you'll be able to see all the mails and then you'll be able to create your Spark email account. As you can see here, now my Spark email account has been created. This is how we can create a Spark email account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.